Yo, Mo Bassi back at it again, and in today's video we're going to talk about the 6 movies and shows that you should watch as a man if you want to become better with women and dating. Starting off with the shows, the first one I've recently started watching and I'm actually going to do a full in-depth breakdown on this, but Suits is absolutely amazing. And the main character, Harvey Specter, this is someone that you should model for quote-unquote standard setting. It seems like he's very, very good at setting standards with the people around him. Now, I haven't been too far into the season, so that might change, but so far what I've seen from the show is that he has very clear standards that cannot be crossed with the people around him. And this is one of the traits that you need to have as a man, especially with women and dating, because if you don't have those standards, people will walk all over you. Second show is Lucifer. This was one of my absolute favorite shows, and the main character, Lucifer Morningstar, who is this devil in a man's body, this is someone you want to model for becoming more charming. He's very charming. The way that he comes across to people, he's always like got this very smiley, devilish, quote unquote look. It's a very, very good model to actually see for what charm actually looks like. Next one is Mad Men. I actually haven't watched all of the episodes. I watched a few episodes of this. The main character, Don Draper, this is what you would envision someone being quote unquote alpha. He's very, very like dominant and assertive. And if you watch this show, you'll be able to pick up on the character traits of what makes him more dominant and assertive as well. The next show is NipTuck, and one of the characters in this, Christian Troy, he's very, very charismatic around women, and you can actually see how he is in conversations with women, which you can take into your conversations as well. Obviously that show's really, really messed up, and I think it was one of the best shows ever. But as a model for someone who's charismatic, Christian Troy is awesome. You should definitely watch it as well. The next one is actually a movie. It's called Crazy Stupid Love. And this one is great for just learning how attractive men flirt in general with women and kind of having that back and forth, playfully challenging banter. This is a really, really good movie to watch. And last but not least is 50 Shades of Grey. The reason why so many women actually watched this movie was because this movie, all the plot was based off of was sexual tension. There was nothing other than sexual tension. There was no plot to the actual movie. Like, the movie didn't actually make any sense. It was just random spurts of sexual tension and curiosity, and they just really played with a lot of different emotions that they knew women would enjoy. So if you want to know how to spark that sexual tension and how to be that guy to really create that sexual tension, this is the movie that you want to watch. So let's go over the list again. The show Suits, Lucifer, Mad Men, and NipTuck. Absolutely amazing for seeing which characters have charisma, charm, how to actually be flirting and playfully challenging, and also setting standards as a man. And then the next two was Crazy Stupid Love as a movie. Really, really good to see how men flirt. And last but not least is 50 Shades of Grey to learn how to create that sexual tension. So if you like this video, I want you to, first of all, go and watch those movies because it's going to really, really help you out. But second, comment down below which movie or show you think I should watch. I've heard Californication is a good one. I'm going to do some breakdowns on that. I'm going to do some breakdowns off these shows as well. But comment down below what shows and movies you think I should watch, so I'll go watch them as well. If you like this video, make sure to click that subscribe button. It really does help this channel out, and we'll talk soon. Take care.